ponder. Now, repeat after me. Ponder, ponder, ponder. Welcome to English Dictionary Infinity, where we help you perfect your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary one word at a time. Meaning, to ponder means to think about something carefully, especially for a long time before making a decision or coming to a conclusion. For example, when you ponder a decision, you are taking time to weigh all the options and consider the consequences. In a sentence, she sat quietly by the window, pondering what she should do next. This means she was thinking deeply before making her decision. Another example, before responding, he took a moment to ponder the meaning of the question. Synonyms. Here are some words similar to ponder. Consider, to think carefully about something. Contemplate, to think deeply for an extended time. Reflect, to think back on something in order to understand it better. Antonyms, the opposite of ponder would be words like ignore, to deliberately avoid thinking about something. Overlook, to fail to consider something. Guard, to pay no attention to something. Part of speech, ponder, is a verb, meaning it describes the action of thinking deeply about something. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to keep building your vocabulary with us at English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.